Hello, I'm Val. This was Musicality and it was just me. We listened to a ton of music and we also talked and kind of, expressed our thoughts and opinions about that. But three main things we talked about. First is just dance on beat. And I shared with you just the thing that I've observed is when people tend to not dance on beat is usually when they panic and then you're either just dance like this and it's not on beat, which may mean dancing faster to very slow music or dancing or not being able to keep up with fast music. Talked about that. Then we talked about swinging, not swinging beat. That doesn't mean that old stuff always swings and new stuff doesn't swing, because we listened to some stuff that was older songs that don't swing, newer songs that do swing. Essentially what this means, swinging, not swinging. I encourage you to just listen to more stuff and see what you can find. Listen attentively if it swings or not. Finally, we talked about structure. We talked about ABA and we talked about 12-bar blues. ABA, mostly people are more familiar with. 12-bar blues is a little bit trickier, so I gave you some tips on how to recognize that, and we just danced and tried to guess what it is. And that's pretty much it. You should have been there. It was fun. Bye-bye.